Welcome everybody, my name is Jim and this is part 2 of my introduction video. And here is the north side where I'll be walking in the next video. We'll loop around. In between us and those buildings is another road. And then down to the north side of my property. Around from June that I took. But in this video I'll be able to see several months of just regular grass growth. Of last October up until June of this year, I hadn't cut the grass at all, except for, a specific portion around my house, which I showed in the earlier video. Keep in mind, this video at the time doesn't show any of the pathways that I'd mowed throughout the property, which was another, I guess, visual identification, whatever, that I was maintaining the property. But it does show along the road, or the two streets, the alley and the street, that there's kind of a buffer area, just showing the city that the property is being maintained because it does look a bit wild. And what we have here is just a couple of photos from before I started letting the grasses grow. You can see it's very nice and manicured. There's just a couple of trees, and this is a few months later. Everything has been kind of grown up. I've gotten a giant thing of mulch. I've cut in pathways and basically just let everything go wild. And this is one of the main reasons why I haven't had any problems, is because of these pathways. There's obviously been changes, mulch added, bird feeders. Also see from the street, there are two distinct areas where the grass has been cleared. So anybody driving down can see that there's even a pathway just to the left that goes into my property. So I think that is key. I wanted to thank you for watching this video. I hope that gives you a better idea of how I've maintained my property over the last year. I haven't had any problems, and my neighbors are fine with everything. And that's allowed me just to basically, kind of be at ease and to just start planning random stuff. And in the coming videos, I'll talk a little bit about how I've started composting, especially hot composting, a couple of the berry plants that I've kind of randomly placed, and much more. So see you next time.